We are here at another beautiful beach day. It's Daddy Daycare Day, and we'll be taking care of the kids. So we got some beach activities planned, we got some pool activities planned, and then we'll wrap up the day all together, eat some barbecue. Looking like it's gonna be a great day. You guys are coming along for the ride. See you guys there. You ready to go to the beach, Rory?
I'm ready to go to the beach.
Good. Hi, Rory.
Rory. You guys gonna survive Dad Day? I think so. You know what? It's gonna be more fun than yesterday.
Yeah, it's gonna be way more fun than yesterday.
We're the cool kids.
Jason's on daycare, daddy daycare duty, even though he's not daddy.
Uncle responsibilities.
Uncle responsibilities. Evie, what you got? You want me to help you dump it? Are you gonna pull the sandcastle off after I dump it? Okay, well, let's do it. Where do you want me to dump this?
I want you to dump it here.
Okay.
I need to move it.
Okay, let's do it. Ready?
But I'm gonna put it up.
Okay. Wow, good job, Rory. Yeah, it only took 5 days and you're playing in the sand. Good job.
Daddy.
Yeah, good job, Rory.
Crab time, Muggy. Got the big old swamper. Crab. Crab. Got my tires.
Good job. Good job.
I got a new message. You ready? We're very easy. Ready?
All right, now lift it up. Lift it up.
Ready? We're ready to bury it here, okay?
Wow, good job. What's going on over here? What do you got? Swimming pool?
Yeah.
You don't?
Here, help.
Yeah, baby. You want to go to the water? You go see your sister in the water? Come on. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, you did a great job. You did a great job. Hey, the first step's the hardest. Come on. Yeah? Wow, good job, Rory. Oh, you're doing such a great job. Yeah, you want to see the birds? You want to go see your sister? Okay, let's go see the birds. Come on. Yeah? Bye. Bye-bye, birds. Come on, let's go. You're doing a great job. Yeah, they're staying in your feet. That's okay. Look, they're staying on Daddy's feet too. See? Almost to the pool. Okay, say bye-bye, sand. There you go, look at that. You did it. Yeah, yeah, there's some water over there too. Yeah. I got you. I got you. Yeah, you found the ball.
I'm over here now.
Whoa, that was a good throw. That was a good throw. Here, can you throw it again? Okay. Wee. Go. Good job. Good job, Rory. Jen and the girls are back from their trip. They brought back a bunch of gifts from the shops and things like that. Now we're gonna head to the beach. We've already headed to the pool. Then we'll probably go back to the pool. And then we maybe go back to the beach. You know how it goes. Come on, let's walk back. Good job. You want to hold Daddy's hand too? Okay, let's go. Yeah. Was that fun? You want to see what your sister's doing? See what your sister's doing. What's your sister doing?
Make a big hole.
No, I'm making a pool.
Oh, you're making a pool.
Whoa.
Pretty deep, huh?
Yeah, look, we can also slip in.
Good job, Rory. She did it. She's so accomplished.
Whoa, safety. That's safe. It's
Rory,
round.
are you happy? Huh? Are you happy?
She could run faster away from Santa if she tried.
Okay, everybody ready to jump? One, two, three. Okay, here we are, our last night at the beach. We're enjoying some barbecue. We will see you guys next time. Evie has something to say.
Bye-bye. I don't want to leave.
You don't want to leave?
I want to stay here.
Okay.
Forever.
Forever? Yeah, that'd be nice. Rory, you want to say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.